How to monetize Google sites using AdSense. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, there is no option on the Google sites to connect your AdSense and then you can start earning from it. So there is an alternative website from the Google using your AdSense account. So the website name is blogger.com, which is actually a Google website. So here the steps are very simple. To make your account, you have to simply continue with Google and your account will be created. Once you are done, you have to go to your earnings over here and simply, as you can see, connect AdSense. You have to go for it, but before going in connecting your AdSense, make sure your blogger website is eligible to monetize and meet all the requirements to start posting the ads. It is fully professional ready and ready to earn basically. So you can see a couple of more tutorials about the blogger, so how to set up the blogger to earn money from it. So once you are done, you have to simply click on this connect AdSense, and after that you have to simply connect your AdSense to this blogger.com. And once you have added your AdSense, the ads will start posting on your website. So that's how basically you can monetize Google sites using Google AdSense.